in UPOU then. But those challenges and defeats were what defined me. In the words of a legendary baseball player, the truth is, whatever game you play in life, sometimes you are going to lose. It is a roller coaster with many ups and downs, and it's natural when you are down to doubt yourself and to feel sorry for yourself. But negative energy is wasted energy. Right? Is that right? So, if you want to become a master at overcoming hard moments, that is to me the sign of a winner. The best of the world is not the best because they win every point. It's because they know they'll lose again, but have learned how to deal with it. To accept it, cry it out, if needed be, then force a smile. Move on. Be relentless. Adapt and grow. Work harder. But more importantly, work smarter.